India, a land of diverse cultures, rich history, and breathtaking landscapes. While many are familiar with its famous tourist spots, there are hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Join us as we explore 10 offbeat destinations in India that will leave you speechless. Majestic view of Jhiro Valley in Arunachal Pradesh. Our journey begins in the tranquil Jhiro Valley, nestled amidst the eastern Himalayas. Known for its picturesque landscapes and vibrant tribal culture, Jhiro offers a peaceful retreat for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Stunning view of the floating Loktak Lake in Manipur. Next on our list is Loktak Lake, often referred to as the floating lake of Manipur. Explore its unique Phumdis, floating islands, and witness the beauty of the Kebul Lamjao National Park, home to the endangered Sanghi deer. Mesmerizing sight of the sand dunes in the Thar Desert, Rajasthan. Venture into the heart of the Thar Desert and discover the surreal beauty of the sand dunes. Spend a night under the starry sky at a desert camp and immerse yourself in the rich culture of Rajasthan. Serene view of the Davki River in Meghalaya. Experience the crystal clear waters of the Davki River, located on the border of India and Bangladesh. Take a boat ride and marvel at the magical underwater world that lies beneath. Enchanting landscape of the Valley of Flowers in Uttarakhand. Step into a paradise of vibrant colors and fragrant blooms at the Valley of Flowers. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a haven for nature enthusiasts, with its diverse flora and fauna. Breathtaking panorama of the Spiti Valley in Himachal Pradesh. Journey to the rugged terrain of Spiti Valley, where snow-capped peaks and ancient monasteries await. Explore the remote villages and witness the raw beauty of this Himalayan gem. Majestic view of the Zuku Valley in Nagaland. Embark on a trek through the verdant hills of Zuku Valley, known as the Valley of Flowers of the Northeast. Lose yourself in its pristine beauty and soak in the tranquility of nature. Surreal landscape of the Run of Kutch in Gujarat. Discover the otherworldly charm of the Run of Kutch, a vast salt marsh that transforms into a mesmerizing white desert during the Ran Utsav. Experience the rich culture of Gujarat amidst this lunar-like landscape. Spectacular view of the Living Root Bridges in Meghalaya. Marvel at the ingenuity of nature at the Living Root Bridges of Meghalaya. These natural wonders, crafted from the roots of ancient trees, are a testament to the harmony between man and nature. Stunning vista of the Pangong Lake in Ladakh. Conclude your journey at the breathtaking Pangong Lake, set against the backdrop of towering Himalayan peaks. Lose yourself in the tranquil beauty of its azure waters and pristine surroundings. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey through India's offbeat destinations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels.